What is going on, guys? We're back in Tombstone.
Back for more.
We're back for more. There was one place that we went to, we didn't actually get to go inside. We're going to try to give it another shot here and see what we come up with. And where we're going is right over there. And we're headed to the Birdcage Theater. We'll take you along. Come on. Go for it. You know, there's a lot of strange people around here. We are going inside. Wish us luck. Come on.
Hi folks, welcome to Birdcage.
Back in the day, we were a theater. We were also a saloon, a gambling hall, and a house of ill repute all under one roof. We have 14 birdcage cribs upstairs, 7 on either side of this little bridge we call the catwalk. Ladies would be up on that bridge, catch the average gentleman on the floor here, and take them up that narrow staircase to be entertained upstairs for $25. Wyatt Earp met his third wife, Josephine Sarah Marcus, in this building. Their romance started right here at the Birdcage, and they were together for 47 years until his death in 1929. We've had 16 gunfights here, 26 people killed in those gunfights. There's about 140 bullet holes throughout the building. A .45 caliber slug remains embedded in the upright of the bar there today. The very floorboards that we're standing on today are the same floors that Doc Holliday and all the Earps walked on back in the day. Behind that partition wall, you'll see the gambling hall where Doc Holliday dealt faro. His faro table still sits in its spot in the wings. The original blackjack and handmade dice tables are back there as well. Downstairs, you can see where the West's longest running poker game took place. We had a game in the building that lasted for 8 years, 5 months, 3 days. Obviously not the same players. There was a waiting list to get into this game, and it was $1,000 just to get a seat at the table. $10 million exchanged hands over the years. We got 10%, $1 million back then. In today's money, that would be nearly $30 million.
So here is the back of the Birdcage. There's the balcony rooms to watch the shows. There was a show here, and it was gals or performers walking on the ceiling. And they said there was quite the apparatus up there for them. That show ended when one of the gals was killed. You can see a lot of holes up there. She did say that there were over 140 bullet holes in the building.
Felt like it.
Yeah. You remember the movie when they're all sitting in their seats shooting at the ceiling? Well, there you go. So this building has been sitting here original. Nothing's been changed on it since it was built and since it was used. They closed down the building when the mines closed, but they thought they would be coming back when the mines reopened, so they left everything intact. And oh, this is the original faro table where Doc Holliday played and dealt faro. Doc Holliday and Johnny Ringo had their famous duel between the faro table and the grand piano. Fascinating. Let's see underneath. Here's underneath the stage. Oh, we're gonna go down there. We're gonna get to go down there. Oh, that's too funny. Occupied by Russian Bill every night for 2 years at $25 per night. Wow. He wanted to appear tough, so he stole a horse and they hanged him for it. That's messed up. Lots of interesting stuff in here. So they've got it blocked off. These are the little hallways that went down. So it's a narrow hallways that go along the booths up above the stage. All right, we're getting ready to go downstairs. Going downstairs, guys.
I love seeing that.
Oh, if you have pictures or orbs or apparitions, shadows, or mist from the building, we would like to see them. So, if anybody sees any apparitions, there's the poker table. It's hard to believe there was a poker game going on for 8 years right there. Okay, one of these rooms was Josephine's. Oh my, well how about that? That was pretty risque in the day. That would be risque today. Oh, barrels of wine. All that were left here. They pretty much left everything behind, thinking that they were going to be back and reopen the place. Yeah, oh, look at that. Okay, so these were also for the working girls. But these girls, if you wanted to have a room, would cost you $40 a night back then. Not the $25 upstairs, $40 downstairs. This room was Josephine Sarah Marcus. This was her room. Yeah, you know her as the wife of Wyatt Earp. Wyatt spent a lot of his time down here with Josephine. And there's Josephine Sarah Marcus, or Sadie Joe. Pretty neat. You know, at least being downstairs, there was a good chance that nobody was going to shoot through the floor back here, because this was the back of the stage is over, so it would have been just actors up there. Very cool. Very cool. So it says that the mirrors that they have hung here in the same place since 1881. So that one over there and that one over there. The heating stove and the whiskey keg are both originals and have been in the same place since the birdcage closed. So there's a whiskey barrel. Where's the wood stove? Oh, the little wood stove down there. This original notice was found in the basement during the cleanup. It had been posted on the walls for all to see. And they have a nice little gift shop, but I think that's going to wrap it up down here. We'll see you when we get back outside. Well, that was awesome. So it lets you out of the gift shop. You wouldn't really know that the gift shop is here. We're on the side of the Birdcage Theater, and there's no signs over. If anybody spotted any orbs or any mists or anything,
Weird.
it's probably due to a faulty GoPro, but let us know about it anyway. Wait, I see an orb. It's a mist there. How's that? Are we good? And in case you come here with your RV, there is RV parking. So we didn't bring the RV out this way. There's the truck right there. And there's the trolley. So there's still stuff to do, so we have another reason to come, and the lady told us that there is the ghost tours.
That would be cool.
That would be cool. If we didn't.
He's more into UFOs, I'm more into ghosts.
So there you go. Her bucket list is ghosts. Mine, I don't want to see ghosts. No. I want to see a UFO. How's that? Our odd bucket list. Anyway, that's the last shot. We are out of here. Basically, we've only been here about an hour, and it was fun. The parking was free. And yes, they do have RV parking.
Yeah.
You can't park here overnight, though. We did see a sign that said no RV parking overnight. All right, guys. We will see you later.
Bye.
Bye, guys.